Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover saved passwords in Google Password Manager in 2026. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then open Google Password Manager. Here you'll see all the passwords that are currently saved in your Google account. If you're looking for a specific password, use the search bar at the top and type the name of the website or app. Click on the account you want to recover. For security reasons, Google may ask you to verify your identity using Windows Hello, your device password, or another authentication method. After verification, you'll be able to view the saved username and password. You can also copy the password and use it to sign in to your account. If your password is still saved in Google Password Manager, this is the easiest way to recover it. However, if the password was permanently deleted from Google Password Manager, it may not be possible to recover it from the Password Manager itself. To avoid losing passwords in the future, make sure Password Sync is enabled for your Google account, so your saved passwords are securely backed up and available across your devices. That's how to recover saved passwords in Google Password Manager in 2026. It's a quick and secure way to access the passwords you've already saved. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.